Welcome back to our QuickBooks Online tutorial series. In our previous video, we discussed how to handle transactions where the customer pays immediately using sales receipts. Today, we're shifting our focus to a different scenario, creating and managing invoices for payments that are expected in the future. Invoices are crucial for tracking sales where payment isn't received at the point of sale. This might be the case in many businesses, especially in services or wholesale, where you extend credit to customers, allowing them to pay later. This tutorial will guide you step by step through creating an invoice in QuickBooks Online, demonstrating how to effectively manage these types of transactions to ensure your cash flow and records remain accurate over time. Let's take a practical look using our sample company, Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. Suppose you've just completed a project for Amy's Bird Sanctuary, and you're ready to bill them for the work done. I'll walk you through the process of setting up this invoice in QuickBooks. Start by navigating to the New button on the upper left side of your QuickBooks dashboard. From this button, you'll choose Invoice. Once you click on Invoice, you'll be brought to a new screen where you can start filling out the details for your invoice. This part of QuickBooks is user-friendly and guides you through the invoicing process. You'll first select your client from the customer list. In this case, let's say it's Amy's Bird Sanctuary. Once you select Amy's Bird Sanctuary, QuickBooks will automatically populate the invoice with any relevant details you've previously entered about this customer, including their address and email. Payment terms are another critical part of the invoice. QuickBooks lets you set the terms for when the payment is due. This could be upon receipt, net 30, net 60, and so on, depending on your business operations and agreements with your clients. Let's maintain it at net 30 for this invoice. Next, you will detail the services provided. Just select one from the pre-configured list of products and services and maybe include specific project names or numbers and the agreed-upon price. QuickBooks allows you to add multiple line items and services, so everything you provide can be billed in one go. Before finalizing the invoice, add a personal note to the customer in the Note to Customer box, which could be a simple thank you or a reminder about the payment terms. You can also add internal notes visible only to you, or a memo that will appear on the statement for further clarification. Over here, QuickBooks also allows you to preview the email that will accompany the invoice. This helps verify how the invoice and your message will appear to your customer, ensuring all information is accurate and professionally presented. Once everything is set, come over here and click on Review and Send if you want to send the invoice via email. The invoice will be saved, and an email preview will show for you to review and finally send it to the customer. Click Send to complete the process. And there you have it. A complete step-by-step guide to creating an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Thank you so much, and see you in the next lesson.